Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to make Instagram Reels up to 3 minutes long. So if you're willing to make a reel that's a bit longer than traditionally we were allowed previously, it is now possible. So in your bottom menu we have the buttons, press on the plus, then in here tap on the camera. Alright, now choose the reel and now tap on the camera icon. Now press on the arrow down. And in the length, as you can see, we can choose our length of the video anywhere from 15 seconds to a whopping 20 minutes, right? So if you wish to make it up to 3 minutes long, you just set it to 20 minutes like this. And of course, you can just create a 3-minute video. You don't necessarily have to record all the way to 20 minutes. And after that, you just record with your camera and you can save this to your viewers on your profile. Enjoy guys! If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.